Hey guys, I'm doing backflips, and so yeah. First thing, you have to do this. Hold your hands like this. If you have a big, right here. All you have to do, place your hands like this. Bam! So, first thing, raise your hands like that, open like that, then jump as far as you can, and just twirl. Like that. So guys, subscribe, and I hope you smell good, just like this. Just like this. See ya!